Well, congratulations to making it to your final chapter of training. In this last chapter, we're just going to take a bit of a look at how to back up your data so you can keep it safe, or also if you need to restore it to another computer that you want to have running the same database of Cabinet Vision. To start with, we're going to navigate through to that file that we made at the very beginning of our course called Cabinet Vision on the C drive. Once we're here, we'll open up our solid_12 folder and look for the file called cvbackup.exe. You can identify this file with the icon that's being shown on the screen. Now we'll right click on our CV backup and select the Run as Administrator option. We do this to ensure the system is able to access all the required areas of the database to back it up completely. You may see this window pop up asking if we want to delete any previously made backups from Cabinet Vision. For now, we'll select No. Now we can see the backup utility window. From here, we can see the items which will be included in the backup on the left. The items which will not be included in the backup will be on the right. Generally speaking, you want to include everything in the backup, as you can decide which particular areas you want to restore later. To do this, select everything that is on the right hand by clicking on the top item, holding your Shift key and selecting the bottom icon. They should all be highlighted blue. Then, you can press the two left-facing arrows and shift them to the left section. If this is your first time running a backup on the system, it's a good idea to click on the Settings button shown and then selecting our Use Backup comment. This reason will become very apparent soon. Now that you're done, close out of the setting windows and click OK, and you'll be prompted for a backup name. Give it this name and then hit OK. If we now open our Automatics backup folder, we can see now that we have a folder that is named what we typed in our backup comment. It's recommended to do a backup of your database regularly, especially after any significant data changes. It's also best if you make a copy of your backups and save them onto an external hard drive or your server if you have one. So it's recommended you back up your data quite often, especially if you've just spent a lot of time doing a lot of data work within the program. It's also best that you don't just keep it on your computer, that you save it somewhere else like an external hard drive or even onto your server if you've got one. The more places you've got it, the less chance you are going to have of losing your data completely. Have a bit of a play around with this system, and when you're ready, we'll have a look at restoring it back onto your computer, or if you had to put it onto another computer with Cabinet Vision.